This is a room tour of the Little India Beach Cottages. So this is the entrance. Yoo-hoo! Hello, boys. And this is the room. Here they have given a refrigerator, paintings, and that's me. Hi. There's a beautiful mirror here and a closet where you can keep your belongings. And this is the washroom. The beach is hardly a few meters away. You can just walk past the resort and directly go to the beach. So this is the beach, and let me give you a 360 view of the beach. And here's a small time lapse of the sunset. This is how the resort looks at night. So this is the bongo shack. Food is kind of okayish, I would say, but there are more shacks lined up here. So if you don't want to go to the bongo shack, you can just opt for other options as well. That's all for Little India Cottages tour. Next day morning we went for the rides at Baba Beach. So the cost of rides here was approximately 2k per person. Okay, so they would give you 5 kinds of rides. The banana ride, there's some scooter, and that parasailing. These are the rides that were there. Okay, and they would give you a ride of hardly a few seconds. They should at least increase it for a few more seconds. Like, they did not even complete even a single round. And one more thing, in the morning the prices are a bit lower, and by evening the prices get higher. So you can choose your timing, whether you want to go in the morning or in the evening. Of course, in the evening it will look better because of the sunset and all. The ambience also gets better and the sun also gets down, so it's less warmer in the evening. So yeah, we enjoyed our trip and stay at Little India Beach Cottages like thoroughly. So this was the bumper ride, and this was also for a very less time. I would say very less time. The entire timing is there in the video. You can see how less this time was. Okay, so of course this is not enough for the tourists who are coming here. Okay, so that's one thing the Goa tourism and the people here can work on, I would say. But of course, if you give some more money, they'll extend the ride. It's all about money at the end of the day. And yeah, done. The ride is literally done. After this, we went for parasailing. So they will take you in the middle of the sea. Not in the middle of the sea exactly, like a bit deeper into the sea. And in a small boat they'll take you, okay, and then they'll take you to another boat. They'll transfer you to another boat, and from there they have their all the materials and the parasailing whatever it is, it's there, okay. And on that boat you will do the actual ride. Parasailing also, I would say it was wonderful experience for us. We did it for the very first time, and it felt like I was flying in the sky. I wish even that would have been a bit longer. If they would have said, then we would have extended. They'll ask you about the dip, so instead of going for the dip, I would say it would have been better if we would have told them to keep us in the air for a few more seconds, or it was hardly, I would say 40 seconds, 40 to 40 seconds, or max 1 minute, not more than that. So they'll keep you up in the air for 1 minute, and they'll just pull you down, and you'll feel like you are a kite flying in the ocean. It was like wow. Oh, and one more thing, they'll also ask you for photographs, but I would say if you are more than one people, if you are two or a couple, or you are going in groups, then don't fall for that trap. They'll say भैया आप फ़ोन रख लो, फ़ोन गिर जाएगा, ये होगा वो होगा करके बहुत डराएंगे वो लोग. But don't fall into the trap. You can easily take your phone, because they'll do the parasailing one by one, so one person can easily shoot and the other person can enjoy the ride. But if you're single, then I don't know, you can ask someone to shoot for you, or you can ask their photographer to shoot for you on your phone. So here's a tussle a foreigner had with the people on the boat.
Guy at the beach, 500. For the puzzle. Yeah. Right. No, but the guy on the boat said, I want to try 200. The guy on the boat says 1 for trying 200. No, because I've already paid 500. I paid 500 over there. No, it's not different. That's 5.
And the last ride of the day was this water scooter, which was like really bad. So that's it for the Little India Beach Cottages in Goa and the rides, which we thoroughly enjoyed. Obviously, as tourists, as people who love the sea. If you liked the video and found it informative, do hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more such videos. See you soon in the next vlog. Bye.